folks, let's check out the Mosasaurus Mecha dinosaur. 1,026 pieces is by IAMBRICK Designs, number 30603. The website will be linked in the description below if you guys want to check out whatever else they have to offer. Just remember, this is not Lego parts. This is their own custom bricks. The picture on the box may be different from the actual product. Little choking hazard. Let's see the back of the box. We also have the Mosasaurus Mecha Dino. Glows energy, transmit blood vessels. It has its own little stand it sits on. It's going to be 13 centimeters tall and 48 centimeters long. That's going to be big. Oh my goodness. Dr. Alexander Keen's an expert in mechanical modifications. He dived into dinosaur fossils to extract genetic essence from them. However, he found that genes were defective and needed to be trashed in a high-tech means. As a result, be combined with cybro transformation in an attempt to create a war machine, super life form that fused biological and mechanical technology. Well, let's crack this box open. Here's the instructions. Very clear instructions. Ooh, we got some stickers. It's logo stickers, not actual stickers for the build. And let's see how many bags we have. That's bag 1. That's also bag 1. That's bag 2. That's bag 1. That's bag 2. That's bag 1. Holy moly, that's a lot of bag 1. That's bag 1. That's bag 1. That's bag 2. So it looks like we got 3 numbered bags, but a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 12 bags, including this one, which is the light. Let's get building.